I'm Rashika from TranZact Academy. Tracking of your sales and purchase transactions can be time-consuming, resulting in low productivity. With TranZact, you can track this data as simply as your Gmail inbox, and that too with a real timeline. Get access to creating GST invoices, purchase orders, and 16 other sales purchase documents. You can also share them via email or WhatsApp with your customers or suppliers with a single click. Let's take a look. On your home page, click on the transaction module. Now you are in your inbox, which lists all the sales and purchase transactions along with their live status. If you want to see only the sales transactions, use the filters on the top left. To create a new document, go to the Create Document on the top right. Let's say you want to send a purchase order. Select your supplier, check the autofill details and click on Save and Send. The purchase order automatically gets emailed to your supplier. You can also send the purchase order via WhatsApp with a single click. To view this transaction's complete history, you can check the transaction's timeline. You can also communicate with your team as well as your suppliers using comments. Over 1,000 SMEs using TranZact say that it saves 32 minutes on average of their time every single day. What would you do with your extra time? Thanks for watching.